Hello, welcome to the very first Sustainable Development Goals video. We're Group 2, and we're Jimin, Subin O, and Kine. We're going to introduce Sustainable Development Goal 9. This is our contents table. We'll firstly view what SDGs are about and what we're going to focus on among SDG 9. Second part, we'll introduce one institution named Miya. And lastly, we're going to see a specific project that conducted by Miya. Move directly to the first point. First of all, what is Sustainable Development Goals? SDGs is simply the most important goals that the whole world should pursue together. It is suggested by United Nations after Millennial Goals. There are 17 goals as a whole, and we are designated to deal with Goal 9. Sustainable Development Goal 9 is to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. There are 8 sub-goals under the Goal 9. Sustainable Development Goal 9 has for building infrastructure to support economic development and well-being, and also struggle to save small-scale industries which are more fragile compared to big companies, and also tries to raise a country's GDP, a standard of nation's wealth level, and also reduce CO2 emission while achieving economic growth, and research for new science technology to raise efficiency. As Goal 9 is all about infrastructure and industry, it can be applied to almost any fields and be combined with other SDG goals. Our group decided to specifically introduce sustainable industry regarding water. There are numerous actors that contribute to achieve sustainable development goals. It can be an individual, a company, government, NGOs, and multinational corporations, and etc. Among them, we chose a company that tries to make sustainable business model to acquire clean water in developing countries.
There are many non-governmental organizations that engage problems related with SDG 9. Miya is an NGO founded in 2008. Their goal is to win the primary goal of addressing one of the world's most pressing challenges, which is the loss of drinking water in water supply systems due to insufficient facility and mismanagement of resources. Miya Water provides end-to-end integrated solutions for water systems. They operate widely through the water and wastewater value chain. This chain includes the process of water capture, transmission, processing, treatment, storage, water distribution, wastewater collection, and treatment. Throughout these processes, Miya acts according to two main visions. One is values-based approach, and the other is efficiency-driven approach. Under these two visions, especially under the values-based approach, are 6 values. First, leadership. Second, integrity and trustworthiness. Third, excellence. Fourth, responsibility and accountability. Fifth, innovation. And lastly, 6, eco-efficiency. Out of the 6, innovation and eco-efficiency are the mostly related with industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Miya encourages the transformation of ideas and available technologies into a new system of solutions to support innovation. Eco-efficiency is also related to SDG 9 because it enhances the relationship between the value created and the resources used. This leads to sustainable development in the industry. There are 4 big ways that Miya contributes to supporting the achievement of SDG 9. First is constructing basic infrastructure. Miya constructing water infrastructure leads to the efficient use of water resources. Not only does it provide better hygiene, it can increase the possibility of related utility growth in the country. Second is conducting educational programs. Miya educates people about the importance of water use and conservation in the relation with proper water infrastructure. These education are also related with the third part, which is job creation. Miya trains new local workers when they start a new program in a new country. People can earn income and learn various job skills, which in the future can lead to the locals making their own business. Miya's business models encourage hiring local professionals when they conduct a project. As a result, 83% of Miya's employees are local forces. Lastly, technology innovation. Miya invests in various companies with cutting-edge water managing technology. It helps to innovate the overall level of water systems and helps minor companies continue their work. Not only SDG 9, Miya is also related with clear water and sanitation. The following program shows how they are relevant.
In 2012, Miya signed a 10-year contract with Water and Sewage Corporation in New Province, Bahamas. The goal was to reduce water losses by over 37 million square meters during the contract period, marking the utility's commitment to a comprehensive long-term solution to maximizing the efficiency of its water delivery system and reducing the amount of non-revenue water. Non-revenue water is water that has been produced and is lost before it reaches the customer. Losses can be real losses, sometimes also referred to as physical losses. An example is leaks in the pipes. Or sometimes it's apparent losses, for example through theft or metering inaccuracies. In 2021, has Miya and their corporation in the Bahamas been able to reduce non-revenue water from 60% to 17%, allowing billed consumption to increase by almost 50% in the same period. They've also been able to give 24/7 water service for customers and significant reduction in energy expenditure. Miya focused on educating, and in the capital city Nassau, they donated a water education pilot program to the 5th graders in Oakfield Primary School. During this pilot program, they learned the history and uses of water, the difference between water efficiency and water conservation, and how water audits and conducts, where drinking water comes from, water cycle, and rainwater harvesting. The students also learned to read a water meter so they could see how much water they use at home to raise awareness. In addition, they installed water-efficient toilets and sinks at the school, and the students measured the success of the water savings. Overall, through educational efforts and by replacing the sinks and toilets, the school water consumption decreased by 20%. This is only one of the projects that Miya has worked with. One of the major challenges that water utilities in highly populated urban areas faces are water services cutoffs, disturbances, or failures. Therefore, one of the goals for Miya is to teach natives to understand the water systems so they can fix future problems and teach the next generation. The benefits of Miya's solutions are not limited to effective non-revenue water reduction for water utilities. Within the course of the project or over time, their client will be able to realize significant financial and economic